Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto pasta with chicken. Start by cooking 8 oz pasta in salted boiling water until al dente, then reserve 1/2 cup pasta water. Sear seasoned chicken until cooked through, slice thin and set aside. Pulse basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, and olive oil into a bright pesto, then toss with pasta water, and chicken for a creamy finish. Gather fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, olive oil, salt, pepper, 8 oz pasta, and 1 lb chicken. Pulse basil, garlic, pine nuts, cheese, and oil in a food processor to make pesto, then taste and season. Trim chicken, pat dry, salt, pepper, and sear in a hot pan with oil until internal temp reads 165 degrees F. Rest before slicing and adding to pasta. Use a spatula to combine sauce and pasta over low heat for 1 minute to marry flavors. Finish by tossing pasta with chicken and a splash of reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce, then let it rest 2 minutes to thicken slightly. Taste and adjust salt or lemon if needed, then plate. Serve warm with extra grated parmesan, a drizzle of good olive oil, and a few basil leaves for freshness. Pair with a crisp green salad and crusty bread, or a light white wine like Pinot Grigio to complement herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.